Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about cleaning up the ocean, and this
is a storm drain.
Very good. This is a storm drain. Now, what does a storm drain have to do with cleaning up the ocean? Well, I will tell you. When you have trash in the street, the wind can blow like it's blowing right now and get down into that storm drain. Depending on where you live, your storm drain may lead to the ocean. It could also lead to retention ponds in the neighborhood, and it can also lead to
rivers and the waterworks.
Very good. Also to the waterworks. Now, let's work in reverse here. If that trash, oil, paint, chemicals from the house, if that leads to the waterworks, that means you are drinking that. Now, what happens when this litter gets into the ocean? Guys, do you know what happens when trash gets into the ocean? And oil and fluids from your car? No, into the ocean.
No.
Who gets hurt from that?
Creatures.
Thank you. Yes, all the creatures in the ocean. The creatures in the ocean get hurt by that. And for those of you that eat some creatures in the ocean, a lot of times they have little bits of plastic all in them that they ingest, and then you ingest it as well. So it is a global issue. We're all affected by it. Now, what are some things you can do to prevent littering in the oceans and the water and everything like that? Well, for the first thing you can do is donate to TeamSeas. For every dollar that you donate, 1 pound of trash will be cleaned up from the oceans and from the rivers. And to illustrate how much that is,
that literally means that for every $1 donated, this much trash comes out of the ocean. And for $5, this much trash comes out of the ocean.
A $5 donation will clean up a whole trash bag of trash from the ocean. So it's a really big deal. Now, if you don't have the money to donate to TeamSeas, what you can do is like, you can comment, and you can share this video, and I will donate 100% of the proceeds that I make from this video to TeamSeas. I'll do monthly updates to show you guys where all your efforts have gone. So you just take a few seconds, share it, like it, comment, and then you can participate that way. The second thing you can do, in addition to donating to TeamSeas, is just obviously not litter. Save your trash for when you reach your destination or when you get home, and when you can, recycle. Number 3, and this is more related to this channel, a lot of people overlook their automobiles. So, a lot of us have leaks, let's just admit it, especially when you have old cars like I do. And I currently have one car that is leaking, my 2006 Dodge Magnum. When you leave leaks unattended to, those drip onto the ground, be your driveway, the rain comes and it washes that fluid down the storm drain, which could lead to the ocean, to the rivers, to retention ponds, and then the waterworks, which means that we're drinking that stuff. So you want to make sure you have your cars well maintained. If you have a leak, get it fixed. Another thing you can do, if you're not driving your car very often, this will also lead to leaks. So you want to make sure you at least start the car for 30 minutes each week, just to keep all the gaskets lubricated to prevent leaks in the future. One last thing you can do with your car is change the drain plug gasket. As you can see from these images right here, from this video, this is my mom's 2009 Volvo C70. She only has 60,000 miles on it, but it's seeping transmission fluid and it's leaking a little bit of oil, but it's leaking from places that are easily preventable. The drain plug gasket, and that's just because she doesn't drive it enough. So again, drive your cars, replace your gaskets, the drain plug gasket in particular. Most people just take the plug off and then plug it back in. Some cars actually require that you replace the entire plug itself when you do oil changes, so you want to be aware of that. And then again, in addition to saving the environment, it saves your pockets as well, because you don't want to have to replace an engine down the line because you didn't replace a 50-cent gasket. So join me and the rest of the YouTubers posting on this day in trying to clean up 30 billion pounds of trash from the oceans. You could do your part by not littering. You could do your part by just sharing this video, and you can do your part by donating. There'll be a link in the description below to donate. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next video.